Now the question says that a florist has 980 roses and tulips in her shop at first, and after 3/5 of the roses and 200 tulips were sold, the ratio of number of roses left to the number of tulips left became 1:4. So at first we draw the models for the roses to be 5 units because we are told that after 3/5 of the roses were sold. That means to say the denominator 5 is representing the total number of units of roses. So we put total number of units of roses to be 5 units and 3 units have been sold. As that for the model for the tulips at first, we do not know whether it has got more than the roses. We just draw once, okay, to be shorter than that of the roses. Okay, so now after 3/5 of so we equate them into 980. We put down information here, and we are told that actually after 3/5 of the roses sold, that means 3 units of the roses sold, he was left with 2 units. All right, and these two units is equivalent to 1 part, because the new ratio is 1:4, and therefore the number of tulips after 200 sold was 4 parts. So we put it down. Since 1 part is equal to 2 units, 4 parts is equal to 8 units. Okay, from here we know that the initial model for tulip is wrong. It should be much longer. By how much? Okay, by here, this much. So we extend it. Okay, we extend it. Okay, this is how we draw models. Alright, so this is the actual model. Now, the question says how many flowers in total were left? We know from the model there were total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units of flowers left. Okay, so by comparing the models here, alright, the model of tulips before and after, we can put in the information. So before we had altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units plus the 200 that was sold. Got it? So by looking at the model at first, alright, we straight away we know that we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 units plus 200 is equal to 980. So 13 units is equal to 980 minus 200 flowers. Okay, so that equates to 13 units equates to 780. Taking 780 divided by 13, that will give us 1 unit. 1 unit represents 60 flowers. Alright, so the question is how many flowers in total were left? We know we had 10 units. Since 1 unit is 60, 10 units will be 60 multiplied by 10. That gives us 600 flowers left. So the answer to the question is there were 600 flowers left. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.